Jitendra stood before the charred remains of his ancestral home, his eyes fixed on the smoldering ruins. The bright afternoon sun cast a stark contrast to the devastation before him. His sister, Janhavi, clung to his arm, her eyes brimming with tears. The siblings had been forced to flee their home, displaced by the senseless destruction wrought by extremists. As they gazed upon the ruins, Jitendra felt a deep sense of loss and despair. His family's history, their memories, and their belongings, all reduced to ashes. He wrapped a comforting arm around Janhavi's shoulders, trying to offer what little solace he could. Together, they stood in stunned silence, their hearts heavy with grief. As they made their way to the train station, the siblings were met with a sea of somber faces. Men, women, and children, all displaced and devastated, just like them. The train, a symbol of escape and refuge, stood waiting, its doors open to receive the weary passengers. Jitendra and Janhavi boarded the train, their eyes scanning the crowded compartment. They found two empty seats and sat down, their hands instinctively finding each other. As the train lurched forward, they sat in silence, their faces etched with sadness, their hearts still reeling from the day's events. As the train rumbled on, Jitendra and Janhavi sat in silence, their eyes locked on each other's faces. They were lost in thought, their minds wandering back to their home, their city, and the life they once knew. Despite the trauma they had endured, Jitendra and Janhavi's faces still radiated a sense of hope and resilience. They were innocent victims of senseless violence, but they refused to let their spirits be crushed. As Hindus, they drew strength from their faith, which taught them to persevere in the face of adversity. As the train journey wore on, Jitendra and Janhavi's emotions seesawed between sadness and hope. They knew that they had each other, and that their bond would help them weather the storm. Finally, after what seemed like an eternity, the train pulled into the station of their secondary home in another town. Jitendra and Janhavi gathered their belongings and stepped off the train, their eyes scanning the familiar surroundings. As they made their way to their new home, the bright sun cast a warm glow over them, symbolizing a new beginning. As they stood before their new home, Jitendra and Janhavi's eyes met, and they shared a deep, emotional moment. Their faces reflected a mix of sadness, hope, and determination. They knew that they still had a long way to go, but they were ready to face the challenges ahead.